I think it's a fantastic initiative. I think all of us have that memory. I think every one of us have that memory of growing up and watching our fathers shave and sort of sneaking in and watching him shave every day, and especially me and my brother, just watching my father shave every day. And just sort of wondering when would we grow up and when would we get the chance to shave, and that almost seemed like a sort of rite of passage that you sort of I'm a grown-up man now, I can actually use my father's razor and shave, and he always used a Gillette, so it almost seemed like obvious that I would grow up and just use his razor. So I think it's a fantastic initiative because it recognizes that relationship, it recognizes that bond, it recognizes so many things about a father-son relationship.
Definitely. To answer your question, Mandira, my father has been definitely very inspirational and has been a role model for me. I kind of try to emulate him in every possible way and try to, walk along his footsteps. There are so many things that I've imbibed from him and learned from him, and I wish some of the qualities that he has, I have, and I can pass them on to my son.
Yeah, he was about 8 years old, so he was interested in cricket and he was interested in singing also. So yeah, I was. So I took him to Khar Gymkhana, and I've got I used to have a lot of friends there, and I introduced them, and I wanted him to be a cricketer. And after a few days practice, and we have kept a singing master also, music master, and he was learning to sing also. One day I was sitting with my drink and he came and said, "Daddy, what do you think I should take up as a career?" I said, "Singing or cricket?" I said, you should take up cricket." I said, "Have you seen me batting?" I said, "No, I have heard you singing."
Well, my role model has always been my father from my childhood. He's somebody that I've always looked up to. मेरे father बहुत inspirational हैं मेरी ज़िंदगी में. मैंने उनसे बहुत सीखा है, और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं उनके फुटस्टेप्स पे कुछ हद तक फॉलो करूँ, एंड उनकी जितने भी क्वालिटीज़ हैं वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं जाके इम्बाइब करूँ. ठीक है, सलमान तो ऑब्वियसली आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा कि बहुत कम अपने आप को फेशियल हेयर में पाए जाते हैं. उन्होंने इतने सालों में ज़्यादातर अपने आप को क्लीन शेव ही रखा है, एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी वेल ग्रूम्ड, एंड हमेशा वो अपने आप को फिल्मों की वजह से जो रोल्स प्ले करते हैं, ही इज़ ऑलवेज बिन वेरी clean shaven all the time. Well, I think the trailer of Kick is outstanding. I think मैंने जो ट्रेलर देख के I was blown away. मुझे तो होता ना कि बहुत जल्दी जो एक प्रेडिक्शन होता है किसी का फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख के कि हिट होगी, कितनी बड़ी हिट होगी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ट्रेलर देख के कि ये सलमान की सबसे बड़ी हिट होगी, एंड इंशाल्लाह ईद पे आ रही है, और जिस हिसाब से लुक है फिल्म का, जिस हिसाब से फिल्म शूट हुई है, जिस हिसाब से कैरेक्टर नज़र आ रहा है, आई पर्सनली फील कि ये एक धमाका होगा, एंड बहुत बड़ा ब्लॉकबस्टर इज़ अवेटिंग अस. लेट्स सी कितना अप्रिशिएट करते हैं लोग, बट आई पर्सनली फील कि इट शुड बी अ वेरी 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 बिग हिट. सबसे ज़्यादा क्लीन शेव एक्टर कौन मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद? बहुत हैं, ज़्यादातर सब क्लीन शेव होते हैं. सलमान इज़ क्लीन शेव्ड, शाहरुख इज़ क्लीन शेव्ड, अक्षय इज़ clean shaved most often. So there are so many actors. Most of the actors are.